Okay, we're at a commercial business here. And we got that. He says the inducer motor is locked up, which it is. Fan came off of it. Let me get you in a tripod here. We'll do a safety check and maybe do the inducer. Okay, I got you rolling on a different camera today, but oh yeah, that's a peach. I'm gonna have to move that gas line and get the inducer out. Oh, that's gonna suck. But we gotta do a safety check on it first. Let's see, and this floor is about to fall apart. I don't have any power to it neither. Furnace 10. Breaker's on. Well, let's see what happens here. Center cell looks like it's overheating in there. Let's see. Give it the finger. No. It's not cracked, believe it or not. Not cracked. It is locked. So most of the time, can't get this wheel off there, but we'll give it a try. Most of the time, this thing is frozen. Yeah, it's good and frozen. So I got my wrench stuck in there. There we go. So we're gonna have to cut this wheel off here. And we'll get that inducer motor replaced. I'll just do it out of the truck. Because it stinks in here. Then I gotta figure out why I don't have any power. Breaker doesn't look tripped. Alright, we'll figure that out in a minute. Alright, I'm not into all-day affairs. So I could do all kinds of stuff to try to get that Allen nut off there, but if I'm replacing the motor and the wheel, I'm just cutting it. No reason to pussyfoot around with it. My blade that dull? No. Blade is that dull? There, done. Don't have all day. Okay. That's our kit number. Wheel number. So in the kit you get the fan, wiring harness, motor. So that motor goes like this. I'm not going to use the impact on this because it will break the screws. You line your stuff up here. If I can line my stuff up here. Easy on these things. Impact will just break these screws right off. Go. Put my mount on. Probably should have new grommets too, but I don't. Ground to that one. cooling fan on later so I don't crack it now. Then we gotta figure out why we don't have power. Okay, let's get her back in. That was strange. Okay, that still spins. Cooling fan, little washer, only goes on one way. Push the little washer on there. You're done. Lock the wires back up. Now we gotta figure out why I don't have power. Tape. Tape. Interesting. Doesn't look like the breaker. Let me check the breaker. Doesn't look like it's tripped. Furnace number 10. Nothing. No power. Oh, there it goes. Right. Switches backwards. Like I said, I got you on a different camera here. Alright, that was just a quick inducer motor change. A 58 PAV from, I don't know. I don't even know. I didn't even check the date on it. But, you know, normally, you know, you check the heat exchanger and you pull that limit. Usually that's where they crack. That one was pretty solid. It looked like it was in really good condition. No need to change the furnace out for that. You know, I mean, it's in good shape. So other than that, this is just simple service call, simple inducer motor change. But you normally, 90% of the time, you are cutting that shaft off that wheel because it's seized, and you're not getting it out. Why waste your time putzing around with it when you could be done? I mean, this basically, you almost seen the whole service call. I mean, it was, I mean, right now I'm at 17 and a half minutes. You almost seen the whole thing, so it doesn't take that long. If I started dicking around trying to get that set screw out of there, I would be here an hour. So there's no reason for that. Just cut your losses, put a new wheel on every time. It just makes it a lot easier. So I will see you on the next one, guys. Like and subscribe.